Hi, my name is Vaibhav Parshari and today I'm gonna perform week 7 experiment. Week 7 and 8 both are the same experiment. Actually week 7 is a part of week 8 experiment. In week 7 I'm gonna perform the connection part of the IC which I used in this experiment. IC is comparator, adder and two driver ICs. So this is my ID. Let's just begin with the experiment. So in week 7, I'm going to check all the pin connections of this comparator and this adder, and let's just ignore these two drivers and the 7 segment displays for just week 7. Okay, so our pin 2, 3 and 4, these are cascade inputs. To work it as a comparator, our pin 2 goes to 0, then 1 and 0, and these are our input B input to 1001. This is fixed to compare, and we'll take the sample inputs to A input and check these connections, these two 5, 6, 7, to check that comparison of the binary decimals. So for pin 3, for input B, I connected this as input 1 B3. B2 is our 14th pin, which is this black, to 0. B1 is our 11th pin to 0, and B9 4th pin, which is our B0 to pin 9, which is this. For the input A, I connected this pin 15 A3 and blue wire A1, red wire A2, and this green wire A0. Now let's just check each pin, the pin connections and their respective voltage values. Okay, now I power up this circuit. Let's just check the voltage for each pin. For B3, it is supposed to be 5 volt. Okay, 4.7. Right. For B2 is our 14th pin. It is 0. Yes. For B1, which is our 11th pin, 0. Right. And for pin 9, which is our B9 pin, okay, 5 volt. And for input is A3, which is 15th pin, is around 5 volt. Right. Our B inputs, which is 1001, in decimal it is 9. I'm going to give input A's to 11 and see here at pin 5, 6, 7. Pin 5 is A greater than B, pin 6 is A equals B, and pin 7 is A less than B. And check that if A is greater than B, which is obviously yes, after giving A equals 11, and see at pin 5 the output is 5 volts, which is our 1 logic. So I'm giving the sample inputs. Okay, so I set the input A's to 1011, which is in decimal 11, and our input B's, which is hard coded, it to 1001 in decimal 9. Okay, so our pin 5, which is A greater than B, is 5 volt, and our A equals B and A less than B tends to 0. Let's just check the voltage at pin 5. So our pin 5, our measured voltage is approx 5. Okay. At pin 6, it is around around 0 volt. At pin 7 also 0 volt. Okay, so now I'm gonna change the input to 7 in binary is 0 1 1 1 or LS MSB, which is this yellow pin, to 0. Now pin 5 0, I think. Indeed it is 0 volt. Pin 6, which is A equals B, is also 0. Yes. Pin 7 5. Okay. So I think the comparator is working fine. Now let's just decoded the pin connection to this header. So now our header is set. I give our A4 to A0 input is 0 1 1 0. It is set to 0 1 1 0. Our A4 is first pin, which is this 0. Our A3 is third pin, is also set to 0. Is also set to 1, sorry, A3, and our A2 is 8th pin, which is also set to 1, and our 4th pin, which is A0, is set to ground, which is 9th pin, sorry, 10th pin is set to ground. For working adder, I set these 0 1 1 0 and another input, which is our B's input, I set is also 0 1 1 0. These are sample inputs. I'm gonna change to perform this to check the functionality of this adder. Now our input is 0 1 1 0 and our second input is also 0 1 1 0. Okay, so our summation is 12, which is 0 0 1 1. Now let us check at pin 9, which is our S4 sigma 1. Summation 1, which is at pin 9, our voltage is so it is around 0 volts. At summation 2, which is at 6th pin, it is also 0 volt. At pin 2nd, sigma 3, it is around 5 volt. Okay, 4 right. At summation 4, which is at pin 15, our output is also 1. Okay, so this 0 0 1 1 in decimal, it is 12. Okay, so now this concludes our week 7 experiment. I'm gonna perform in week 8 the whole experiment to connect these pins to our displays and check the output display lights. Alright, thank you.